Welcome to this quick guide on Nav-Voice, Navident's voice command feature. Nav-Voice lets you perform implant planning directly in navigation mode, without having to use the mouse or touch the screen. This feature is useful for simple cases or when you need to make quick changes during surgery. With just your voice and the handpiece, you can add or remove implants, all while staying focused on the surgical site. The command Navi-Tip is used to calibrate the drill tip visually, but only available for Navident-Evo users. Just hold the handpiece in front of the camera with the drill tip pointing upwards and say Navi-Tip. This ensures the system accurately tracks your drill tip during navigation. Use Navi-Pick to select an existing implant for repositioning or to place a new implant at the site. Simply bring the drill tip close to the implant or the area where you want to add a new one and say Navi-Pick. The implant will then attach to your handpiece, ready to be moved. Once the implant is aligned as needed, say Navi-Drop to place it in the new site. This confirms the new position and completes the steps quickly and hands-free.
Positioning implant.
If you make a mistake or want to undo the last action, just say Navi-Back. The system will instantly revert the most recent planning step.
Reverting.
Now let's walk through a full workflow using Nav-Voice. First, ensure you're in navigation mode, the drill tip calibration is completed, and the accuracy check is confirmed. The voice command icon will appear automatically when the handpiece is close to the patient's mouth. To reposition an implant, move the drill tip above the implant site. Make sure it's within 2 mm of the implant's central axis. And say Navi-Pick. The implant attaches to the drill. Move the implant to the new site and adjust the angle and position using your handpiece. Say Navi-Drop, and the new position is saved.
Positioning implant.
To undo a step, simply say Navi-Back, and the last action is undone.
Reverting.
To plan a new implant, bring the drill tip above the site where you want to place it. Say Navi-Pick. A new implant appears on the screen following the handpiece. Align it to the desired angle and say Navi-Drop.
Positioning implant.
And now it's positioned in the new site. That's Nav-Voice, an efficient hands-free solution for real-time implant planning. For more tips or support, visit our website or reach out to our team.